Veronica here with Joovy, and one of the things you will love about the Joovy products is the assembly process. We make it super minimal. Most products are almost fully assembled out of box, and the Qool Stroller is what I'll be showing you today. I'll take you through it and I'll show you how you can have this whole stroller assembled in less than 5 minutes. This is a full-size stroller. So we can time this thing. All right, here we go. So you can start with the rear wheels, and these you'll notice just have a post that just click into the frame. You can pull on them to ensure they're nice and secure. And then we'll move on to the front wheels. You'll hear a click here as well. All right, wheels are on. Now we are going to install the seat brackets. These come with the stroller, and these slide in wherever you're going to be using the seat. I'll use the top. Seat comes out of the box like this. You'll hear that click. Next, we'll attach the canopy. Zipper goes on the back part. Okay. All right. Now, zipper. Done. All right, we're going to put the tray in. First, we're going to remove these covers. All right, so you're going to click that into the seat. And the last step is installing the parent organizer. That's it. We just assembled a whole stroller in less than 5 minutes. And that's what you can look forward to with Joovy products.